Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate whipped cream using an easy method. This delightful treat is perfect for topping desserts or enjoying on its own. We'll start by preparing our ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth process. Make sure your heavy cream is well chilled, and your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are very cold for optimal whipping. This simple preparation ensures a light and airy result. Next, let's prepare our chocolate base. Take about 100 grams of your favorite dairy milk chocolate and melt it gently. A double boiler works wonderfully for this, or you can use a microwave in short, 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. It's crucial to let the melted chocolate cool down to room temperature. This prevents it from melting your cold cream later on. Now for the main event, whipping the cream. Pour 2 cups of your very cold, heavy cream into that chilled bowl. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. Once the cream begins to thicken, add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Continue whipping until you see beautiful, soft peaks form, which usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Take your cooled, melted dairy milk chocolate and gently fold it into your whipped cream. Do this in 2 additions to ensure even distribution without deflating the cream. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can make it grainy. Serve your delightful chocolate whipped cream immediately or chill it for up to 2 hours. Enjoy this easy, decadent treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.